What scientists discovered will blow your mind. Centuries of grime hid astonishing artistic secrets. Timeless masterpieces often conceal their true brilliance. Years of dirt, varnish, and bad repairs accumulate. Conservationists meticulously unveil original artists' visions. This painstaking process transforms faded canvases dramatically. Witnessing these changes is truly a mesmerizing experience. Paintings yellow naturally due to aging varnish layers. Smoke, dust, and pollution also darken surfaces over time. Previous restorations often caused irreparable damage too. Early conservators lacked today's scientific understanding.
They used harsh chemicals, even painting over original work.
These interventions drastically altered artists' initial intentions. Original work, modern restoration, begins with thorough scientific analysis. Infrared reflectography reveals underdrawings and alterations. X-rays show original brushstrokes beneath later paint layers. Ultraviolet light exposes old repairs and varnish types. Pigment analysis identifies materials used by the artist. This data guides conservators on the best treatment path. Every decision is based on deep historical and chemical knowledge. Consider the iconic Sistine Chapel frescoes by Michelangelo. Centuries of candle smoke and grime obscured his genius. The Vatican Restoration Project spanned from 1980 to 1994. Conservators gently removed layers of dirt and animal glue. They revealed vibrant, stunning colors unseen for centuries. Michelangelo's palette was surprisingly bright and dynamic. This transformation redefined art history's understanding of him. Rembrandt's The Night Watch also underwent a huge project. Years of darkened varnish made it appear much gloomier. The recent Operation Night Watch used advanced robotics, digital scans, guided microsurgical paint layer removal carefully. Hidden details and brighter tones emerged from the shadows. The painting regained its original dramatic lighting and depth. It revealed Rembrandt's masterful use of light and shadow. Restoration connects us directly with past artistic intent. It preserves irreplaceable cultural heritage for future generations. These transformations offer new insights into art history. They challenge long-held assumptions about famous artists. It allows audiences worldwide to appreciate their genius anew. Each restored artwork is a triumph of science and art. Witnessing this rebirth is truly an inspiring spectacle. Art restoration unveils remarkable hidden beauty and truth. It brings faded masterpieces back to their initial glory. These visual revelations continuously reshape our art world. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.